So this is this simulation application, very simple to use in Africa. It's a free application used by many students to simulate electrical circuitry. Here we are going to use it to simulate series circuit and parallel circuits using light bulb, power supply, switch, as we've seen it in the theoretical lesson. So this is power supply. Okay, I can change the voltage here. I give 230 voltage, like the voltage of my power supply, and then I turn it to simple to have a simple connection. So as you have seen it, you have my voltage here, VS1, 230 voltage. I'll use a switch. Okay, this is the switch I'm going to use. Right button of my my computer to change to make a rotate, and then I will use also a light bulbs, like just like we've seen it in the theoretical lesson. So right button of my my computer to make rotates. What do I need again? I will use ammeter to measure the current that flow through my circuit. This is my ammeter. Okay, I put it here. I don't need to rotate it. Now I just have to make the connection between my elements. Okay, so this is the wires of the connection. I connect the switch to my power supply, and then I connect the power supply to my ammeter, and then my resistor, that is my electric bulb, to my ammeter to measure the current that flow through my circuit. Okay, I can simulate my sample here, simulation. So I put my switch on. Okay, there's the problem. What do I have? I have to change my voltage of my bulb here. So my voltage is 200. Voltage rate of my my electric bulb is 230 volts. Now I simulate, or I have brightness, okay, and then the value of my ammeter is 4.35 milliamps. This is very simple to use and to simulate if I have a good circuit or not. Okay, I have the brightness of my light. Okay, this is now what I'm going to do is to put a second light in series. Okay, so but before that, I'm going to measure the voltage, the voltage drop of my light. So I chose my voltmeter. That's, we've seen that the voltmeter must be in parallel. Okay, I put it here in parallel. So to see all my drawing, I got this, and then I make my zoom and I make rotate of my light for I can see them all. Okay, this is my voltmeter. Okay, you see your V like voltmeter, and then A like amps. Now to connect my voltmeter in parallel here in my life, I just make my connection from this side to this side, and then I connect also always the voltmeter in parallel. Okay, so I simulate my circuit. Okay, but if I make zoom to see all my connection, if I simulate, you get, I have here 230 volts, as you have 230 volts. What you've seen in theoretical lesson, that the voltage here is the same with the voltage here. The voltage of the power supplies if the voltage is the same as the voltage drop in our resistor, as we get only one resistor in our circuit. So we get our lights here. I can simulate easily. Okay, so now we keep our ammeter and then our voltmeter, and then I'm going to add another another light bulb in my circuit, but I'm going to add in series. So I cut this part of the circuit, and then I bring another light, and then I turn it. Okay, this one must have the same voltage. Okay, 230 voltage. This is okay for me. And now I'm going to connect my circuit from here. This is okay. So let's simulate and see what that's about. Simulation, and then now I simulate. You see, this is dimmer, so this is not bright. You see the brightness of our two lights, so this is quite different than what you've seen before. I show all my circuit, and then as you can see it, so the potential drop, the voltage of this light, it was 230 volts before. Now it is only 115 volts. So this divided the voltage of the power supply divided by 2, as the two lights has the same resistor. So the reason why this one is dimmer. Okay, very simple. I'm going to add the third resistor in my circuit. Okay, so it will be very simple. As I'm going to take one light bulb, and then I take it, and then I just connect it here, and then I make my connection between this one and then this one. So I have 3 electric light bulb in my circuit, and they have all they are all 230 volts. Okay, so remember that the current that flow through my circuit is the same at light 1, light 2, and light 3. So the current is the same. I make the simulation, and then okay, you see my lights are not shining at all as the current become 1.45 milliamps. So see, my 3 lights are not shining, so the voltage is divided by 3. Okay, instead of 230 necessary for the brightness of my lights, I get only 76.65 volts. This is not enough for my light to should shine correctly. Okay, this type of application is very simple. You get many applications here on website. There are free applications that students can use to really understand many lessons. So you teachers can collect this kind of application, or techno-pedagogical team can collect this kind of application and train teachers for they can use it to enhance their physics lesson. Thank you.